In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 30mm wheel spacers on your Land Rover Discovery 5. Let's go. After installing the 30mm wheel spacers, they can move the wheels farther from the suspension. This enlarges the track width. As the track width increases, the Land Rover Discovery performance tends to get more stable, and handling usually improves too. The tire's lateral grip also improves. These Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers make you feel more comfortable cornering. Installing wheel spacers is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced road and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thicknesses. This improves the whole experience on your ride. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. Bonus FT Cooling Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat from the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.